Let's talk about the cube root function. What do you think he looks like? If I write him in function notation, what is that? Isn't that just the cube root of x? What kind of restrictions do I have on the domain for this guy?
None.
I don't have any because this is a cube root function. The cube root, does he or does he not allow negative radicands?
He does.
He does. So if I plug in,
Negative 8, negative 2.
now why'd you say negative 8?
That way you can get it because it's a perfect.
It's a perfect cube, right, so I get negative 2. What's the next number you plug in?
Negative 1.
Negative 1, the cube root of negative 1 is?
Negative 1.
Cube root of 0,
0. 1, 1. 8.
1, 1, and then 8, 2. Now, I want you guys to see something, though. That if you look back at the problems that we've done so far, okay, notice that the identity function, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So if I just do those 3 points, that's not enough. If I were to do the cubing function, you see, again, have the same 3 points in the middle. So that's not enough. We have to go further and find more values. So that's why I have this guy. So negative 8, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 8, 2. When you get the shape of this, it looks a lot like the cubing function, but except it's not flat horizontally here. It's flat vertically. It's like you're doing kind of a square root on one side like this, and then you're doing that down here as well. What do you think the domain is for this guy?
Negative infinity to infinity.
It's all real numbers. What do you think about the range?
Same thing.
Even though it looks like it's not getting that high,
But it would eventually.
it would eventually, and that's the thing. If we were just looking short term, it doesn't get high. It doesn't have large y values. But as x increases without bound, so does this guy. Now, does this guy exhibit any kind of symmetry that we've talked about?
Axis of the
Does it have symmetry about the x-axis or the y-axis?
Yes.
Is this guy right here copied exactly on the other side of the y-axis?
No.
Is it copied on the other side of the x-axis like this?
No.
No. But you know that if I rotate this 180 degrees,
Exactly.
so then what type of origin is that?
Symmetry of origin.
Call it origin symmetry. Okay? Origin symmetry. And since this is a function, you're also going to learn the words odd function. Okay? Yes, this graph truly is radical. Or maybe you could call this the gem function, because this is outrageous. Truly, truly, truly outrageous.